What's your pasalubong, baby? A cucumber? Wow, you got cucumber from mommy? Wow, good job! Bilis mo naman kumain. Oh, almost done? Good job, baby! Cucumber! Cucumber! Galing naman ng baby namin eh. This is almost finished. Show me. Uy, naubos na. This is good job. Finish. Ang galing naman. Oh, some more. Wow, good job. You want more? Ang takaw mo naman. Naubos mo na yung isa. One more? One more? Good job. This is... You finished too, ha? Ang galing naman ng baby na yan. Cucumber is my favorite treat. Oh, this is... Slowly. This is... Are you enjoying? Oh, that's enough, ha? You had to... Oh, careful. Slowly. Snack time. I love you. I miss you. Wala na. Ang galing naman ng baby na yan. Good job, Rain. Finish na. Finish! Yay! This is wala na. No more. No more na. Good job. No more na, baby. No more. Enough na, enough na. Wala na. Oh, wala na, wala na. Tama na. Inaanap mo pa dyan? Meron pa ba? Meron pa? Where? Nag-grocery ako. Huh? You found the cucumber. Oh, that's enough. Cucumber from Kabayam. That's enough na. That's enough. Tomorrow again. Tomorrow. 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 Rain. Tomorrow na. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. You want some? You want more? Where's the cucumber? Where's the cucumber? Wow! Tomorrow na, anak, tomorrow. Tomorrow, tomorrow. You want more? Tomorrow, tomorrow. Enough na.